Although many camera manufacturers have moved away from offering wide-ranging compact camera lines, one area where they have maintained a footing is with waterproof options. A waterproof camera can be used to capture images and videos underwater. It can be used for shoots as one is swimming, snorkeling, or with remotely operated underwater vehicle. There are various kinds of waterproof cameras available in the market with a variety of features. You must choose wisely by considering your requirements. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The GoPro Hero 7 has a hyper-smooth stabilization that delivers a gimbal-like flow without the added size of a gimbal. Also, the camera updates incorporate direct streaming to Facebook Live, an intelligent still photo mode, and supported time-lapse video. It has a vertical portrait mode that allows you to add social media style videos and pictures to your Instagram and other accounts. Besides, it holds up to UHD 4K 60/50 video resolutions, and it catches 2.7K 120/100 slow motion and super slow motion video at rates up to 1080p 240/200. Moreover, the still pictures can be caught in up to 12 megapixel resolution in bursts of up to 30 images per second. On the other hand, it is waterproof to 10 meters, revising it for surfing, snorkeling, and swimming movements. Another advantage is that the housing is available individually for even deeper underwater operations. The Fujifilm Finepix XP 120 comes with a 16.4 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, and the camera automatically adjusts shooting settings with 10 frame per second high-speed continuous shooting. It offers the all-new Cinematograph mode, which produces still images with moving elements, making a stark contrast against the rest of the still image. Also, it supports wireless direct transfer of images to the Instax Share printer for the instant printout and sharing on the spot. Despite a larger 3-inch high-definition 920K dot LCD monitor, the camera manages to maintain its compactness with a weight of approximately 2. The Nikon W300 has 16.05 megapixel back illuminated CMOS sensor and 4K UHD video capabilities that preserve all your moments in stunning clarity. You can dive with it to a depth of 30 meters or 100 feet without a housing. Also, the dustproofing ensures uninterrupted operation in dusty, gritty, rugged outdoor environments. Besides, the bright f/2.8 Nikkor lens with 24mm wide-angle and backside illumination CMOS image sensor combines to deliver remarkable images underwater or in other low-light situations. Moreover, with the help of 16 effective megapixels, 5x optical zoom, and 10x3 dynamic fine zoom supported by VR for crisp, clear photos at full zoom and in low light. Holding the first place among the list of best waterproof cameras, we have the Olympus TG5. It comes with a 12 megapixel high-speed image sensor for improved low-light performance and noise reduction. It has a blazing fast f/2.0 lens made to capture action and adventure. It is equipped with a field sensor system, which records various field data so you can recreate your shooting conditions on your smartphone. The variable macro system consists of 4 shooting modes for expanded macro photography and 2 separately available accessories for close-up shooting. Also, the high-speed movie is supported, providing 120 frame per second recording capability at full HD resolution. Besides, the action track sensors record location, temperature, direction, and altitude data that bring your images and video to life. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.